this is Law here. And now I'm gonna show you bike safety. So first, put on your helmet because then if you fall, it'll go like ooh and then bump your head. And then that's bad because you don't want to bump your head because your brain is in your head and you don't want to mess up your brain. So then
some other bike safety.
Okay.
Watch where you're going.
Watch where you're going. Or then if you're not looking where you're going like this, you'll bump into something. And then you might fall.
How about how to brake?
How to brake. Okay, so this is how to brake. What, like, Safely. How to brake safely. So first, okay, so this is how you brake. There's two ways. Do this, so you don't bump into something.
Yep, your hand
Or
brake.
you do this. And now, watch where you're steering because then you might bump into something.
Yeah, you don't want to bump into anything.
Like and then you bump into something and then you might fall.
You also don't want to brake all at once, right? You kind of want to gradually brake.
So like,
Is there another way to brake?
She did the handbrake.
yeah.
Some other safety tips are always find your center of balance.
Yeah.
If you get uncentered,
I always find the center of balance because then when you have two wheels, then you might fall. Anyway, this way or this way.
and if you have a problem finding your center, you just put your foot down, right?
Yeah.
To catch yourself.
Like this.
Right. Right. I think you did a nice job.
Yay!